Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw chants from Fortnite. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna begin with drawing the top of our cap with an arch curve line right there. And from the ending point below, I'm gonna draw across a curve line. Inside of that shape, at this lower point, I'm gonna draw another arch curve line in the middle, right there. And inside of that, I'm gonna draw across a curve line. Below the cap, I'm gonna draw her hair with a diagonal curve line downwards from the point off center in the middle to the left, semicircle turn downwards, and semicircle turn sideways to the left. Turn it upwards at the outer corner and diagonal turn to the right and towards the lower point of her cap on the left side. Inside of that shape, I'm gonna trace the same curve line on the right corner. Now for the right side of her hair, I'm gonna draw a similar shape. Curve it upwards, semicircle turn to the left and trace the same curve line upwards to the lower point of her cap on the right side. On the right side of that, at the edge of the cap, I'm gonna draw a curve line downwards, flare it out, semicircle turn downwards. Now for the shape of her face, I'm gonna draw from the side of her hair on the left, a diagonal curve line to the middle point and slightly downwards, curve line across at the chin, and turn it diagonally back upwards on the right side. Semicircle turn at the side of her jaw and a line upwards. Now for her eyebrow, I'm gonna take a point in the middle of her face and draw a line downwards off center on the right side right here. Turn it diagonally upwards to the right, curve line across to the right. Copy the same set of curve line across at this upper point right there. And below the eyebrow, I'm going to take a point in the middle of her face and draw a curve line upwards. Turn it diagonally to the right, curl it downwards and curl it back upwards at the outer corner of the eye. I'm gonna thicken the upper part of the eye at the outer corner. For the lower line of her eye, I'm gonna draw a curve line across to the right, turn it upwards, diagonally at the outer corner. Inside of the eye, I'm gonna draw a circular shape and a black dot in the middle point. I'm gonna copy the whole eye shape on the left side. Now at the inner corner of her eye, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards on both the left and right side. Below that, in the middle point, I'm going to draw the tip of her nose with a U curve line across. Curve line downwards on both the left and right side of that. Below that, I'm going to draw her mouth with a curve line across. And from the same corner at the side, diagonal curve line to the middle point and slightly upwards. Turn it downwards in the middle point and mirror the same shape of the lips on the right side. From the same corner, I'm going to draw another diagonal curve line downwards for the lower lips, curve line across in the middle, turn it back upwards on the right side. Below that, I'm going to draw her neck with a curve line downwards on both the left and right. Curve line across at the ending point below, extend it outwards on both sides, turn it downwards, and in the middle point I'm going to draw a small rectangular shape. Below that, I'm going to draw a line downwards off center on the left side and another one on the right side. a line across at the ending point below. For her shoulder, I'm gonna draw a curved line outwards from the side of her collar. Semicircle turn downwards at the side. Flare it out with a curved line. Turn it back inwards. Diagonal turn downwards. Turn it downwards. And curved line across to the right. Turn it back diagonally upwards on the right side right there. At the inner corner of her arm, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards. Semicircle turn to the right and slightly downwards. Turn it downwards and curved line across to the right for the lower part of her shirt. I'm gonna mirror the same shape on the right side right here. Now below the shirt, I'm gonna draw her waist with curved line downwards, turn it inwards, and turn it back outwards below the waist. I'm gonna copy that same curved line on the right side. At the ending point below, a curved line across for the top of her pants. Turn it downwards on both sides and flare it outwards on her thigh. Extend it downwards with a curved line on the right side. Turn it back inwards towards her knee point. In the middle of her legs, I'm gonna draw a curved line across at that corner. And off center of that curved line, I'm gonna draw the inner line of her right leg with a curved line downwards. Turn it inwards towards her knee. On her knee, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line inwards and slightly upwards, across, and turn it back downwards with a diagonal line. Turn it downwards and inwards below that with a diagonal line. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side. Curved line across at the lower point. And from the side of that, I'm gonna draw a curved line slightly outwards. Turn it back inwards to the ankle point. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the right side right there. Turn it diagonally upwards from the side and to the middle point. Curved line across. Turn it back diagonally down at the outer corner on the right. Inside of that, I'm gonna draw a line upwards, off center on the left, right there. Turn it diagonally upwards to the lower point of her knee pad. On the left side of that, in the middle point, a line across, right there. Copy the same shape on the right side right here. Now below that, I'm going to continue the line of her foot downwards on both the left and right. An arch curve line across below that. And in the middle point below that shape, a circular shape. Teardrop shape on the left corner and another similar shape inside of that. Copy that same shape on the right side right here. Below that, I'm gonna draw some crisscross knots downwards in the middle point of the shoe right there. And at the side of the shoe, I'm gonna draw a curved line out, semicircle turn downwards at the side, flare it slightly out, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the right side of the shoe right here. Curved line across for the base of the shoe, and slightly above the base, I'm gonna draw another curved line across at that corner. Now for her left leg, I'm gonna draw the inner line of her leg with a similar diagonal curve line downwards. And from that point on her thigh, I'm gonna draw a strap with a diagonal curve line to the left and slightly upwards. Turn it downwards on both sides. Curve line across for the lower part of the strap right there. And I'm gonna extend the outer line of the legs on the left side. Continue the line of her legs downwards below the strap. and slightly inwards towards her knee point. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the inner line of her leg on the left side right there. Another curved line downwards below the knee point, flare it slightly out on her calf and back inwards towards her ankle point. Continue the line downwards to her shoe and flare it slightly outwards. And on her ankle point, I'm gonna draw a curved line across. I'm gonna copy the same shape of her shoe on the left side right here. Now for the strap on her thigh, I'm gonna draw inside of that 2 lines downwards in the middle point, and from the side of that line I'm gonna draw a curved line across to the outer corner at this upper point and continue that to the inner corner of the leg. I'm gonna draw a similar curved line at this lower point right there. At the outer corner of the strap on the left, I'm gonna draw a small rectangular shape right there, and inside of that 2 lines downwards. Copy that same set of shape at this lower point and another one below that. On the left side of that, I'm gonna draw a line upwards right there, turn it sideways at the ending point above to the right, and at this lower point right there. Now on her sleeve, I'm going to draw a line downwards on both the inner line and the outer corner. Curved line across at this lower point. Below the sleeve, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards at the outer corner. Turn it downwards and inwards diagonally. On the right side of that, a line downwards at that corner. Extend it all the way to the tip of the finger. Semicircle turn back upwards. And across the finger, I'm going to draw a line right there. For the inner line of her hand, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards on the right side, below the sleeve. Copy the same shape of the hand on the right side right here. And for the right side, I'm gonna extend it upwards diagonally and turn it back downwards for the thumb. For the inner corner, a curved line downwards, a line across the finger right there, and below the sleeve, I'm gonna draw a small rectangular shape at the outer corner, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the left side. Now on her pants below the waist, I'm gonna draw a curved line across right there. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.